So now friends, we will create tree map in Power BI. To create a tree map in Power BI, so first of all what we need to do, we will just click on this tree map from our table here. So we have a tree map here in visualization frame. So we just click over this tree map, and now we have a format of tree map with us. And now we have a category, details and values. So in categories, what we will take, first of all I will take a category which is your categories only, and in values I will take sales. So I will just go sales and put in values. So now we have a tree map according to the categories we have. So we have the maximum sales in technologies, then furniture, then in our office supplies. So it shows our tree map. Instead of sales, like if you like to put the profit here, so it can even show the tree map according to the profits also. So if you will put a profit here, now we have a tree map which include your technology have the maximum, then your office supplies, and then your furnitures. So this is the tree map. Beside that, like if you want to see details also, so in details, if you will like to put some like your subcategories, so we can put a subcategory in details. So it will show our like tree map according to the details also. So details include your technology, like we have copiers here, then your phones, and then your accessories, and then your machines. So our subcategory is divided into parts, and according to that whatever profit we have make it's giving. So whatever things we will take here, so according to the values we have given, it will give us sale. Similarly in the office supplies, so we have maximum with the paper, then maybe a storage, then applications. So it is also showing the values here. And if you want to show the values, we go to the format button here, then we will go to data label, and we have a data label along with our like whatever data will be there. And if you want to make some more changes, we can click here and just want to increase the size. So we have a bigger size here, so that's look better. And if you want to see it in a mode, focus mode, so this will show our detail. So whatever value we put there, according to that it will show us a tree map which is in a hierarchical manner. So the bigger will come the first up, the bigger values will come on the first side, and the lower size will be on your right side. So in the left side you will get the higher values, and in the left right